Alright guys, we're back with Dave. Decided to change his name to Dave. Don't you like that name for a dog, Dave?
Sure.
See, that lady likes it. Alright, so we're working on Dave. Dave, backing up.
You're handsome.
Oh, he's good looking. That's why we call him Dave. Good looking. Insanely good looking. Alright, so we're working on our backing up, but I'm going to show you how that can really work even for heel. See how he's got the mechanics for the turn towards now. If I want him to go back, I'm going to have it like this. Heel, blue, heel, blue. It's not going to work, but I'm going to do it. That's what I was thinking. I am doing my pager. Well, when we get done with this, Catalin's just going to love it. All right, but look, from here I can go heel, sit. I actually need to move it forward. Joshua, if you're watching this, sit. So the way I moved the dog forward, you guys, was like applied movement. I didn't move my feet at all. And Joshua's going to go, why do you have your feet together? Because you really should be a little more square like that. But if I want to move him forward, I'm not going to move myself forward. I'm going to imply movement with my knees. Oh, he forgot to chew. All right, now I'm going to do just a turn forward. I actually think this dog looks like Dave. So do you see what I did right there? I applied movement with everything but my feet. My feet remained stationary. And I told Crystal, don't let me be standing pigeon-toed all the time. Apparently I'm pigeon-toed. Remind me to ask Jason. Jason's coming over in like a week. Jason's bringing Bodie back over in like a week. Remind me to ask Jason if there's any treatment for that. Look at this. I gotta tell you, I just love this dog. Not just because his name is Dave. All right, so let me just heel down back. Oh, this guy comes over here and starts cutting. No, blue. Blue. Apparently he's a sticky, he just wasn't. Blue, heel. Down. You see what happened? I lost my down a little bit from so much working on the sit. But I really don't want to. You've got to do things in stages. So what I can do from here, though, heel. So see who's quick, I'm brought him back to heel. Blue. Same thing. I'm going to fix him from here. I'm not going to move my feet at all. Heel. Heel. I lied. I moved my feet there. She lies. So we're going to keep working on that this week. I mean, I get these people that say, oh, it does all these things in 1 week. Heel. I don't believe it. Heel. All right, guys, we'll be right back.